Appreciate that, Lori. Appreciate that. Gonna be looking real hard today for some good setups. Just gotta see. BBIG is the only thing I see right now though. Right. BBIG. See the news. Um, they have a they have agreed to acquire and will be fully integrated to monetize Lomotif platform. Okay. Vinco Ventures to acquire AdRiser for 108 million. Okay. Not really just super hot news. Ay, ay, ay. Great. Good morning, Daniel B, J Kratz, One Life. Yeah, One Life. It's kind of dry today. I was looking around and all I saw was BBIG, which is the news on it is just not good. It's not worth jumping into a bed of fire. Bingo. But I'll be waiting for this one to die out, and see if anything else pops up. We got about 10 minutes to the bell. Oh man, this end of the week is gonna be so busy. Oh, I got so much work to do. The market, the SPY did bounce back up. The SPY actually, I don't know what the SPY wants to do. It actually triple bottomed on this chart here. You can see a triple bottom right across here on the SPY, and it just the SPY only knows one direction. I keep forgetting that. Right there, 1, 2, 3, and then up. So ripped up from those 20s back up to almost the 340s. But I don't know if this is a channel or if it's just actually no, it broke out of that channel. 435 was the top right there. Yeah, it broke out of there. So we'll see what the SPY wants to do today. I guess we're looking at a market that's going back bullish. Let's see, what did the DIA do the same? Yep, yep. Same thing. Confirmed on that double bottom down at the 335, made higher lows at the 338s here, and then took off. So we'll see. Now, One Life, it was just you know, I just had to shed some tears from yesterday, man. I got drunk on VLCN, man. Got drunk and woke up and I didn't know who was laying beside me, and it was a red day. BBIG. Yeah, this one's not looking too great. Nice, Daniel B. What did you hit that on, Daniel B? This one's looking like it's trying to go on down. You can take the rest of the week off. Let's see. I got time. No, A firm went crazy yesterday. Waiting and watching. Right, all right, all right. About 5 minutes to the bell. BBIG. I am not. I just want to watch that one fail and see if anything else comes up with good range. I really don't like BBIG. But if nothing comes up, I'm okay with sitting on my hands today. Yesterday I tried to. Man, should have just stayed away. Hopefully we'll see some volatility today and a lot of tight trades this week. Um, AFRM got new customers from Peloton, Amazon, and Target, plus almost every high-end retailer has contract with them. Trading ranges have been small in the cheaper stocks. Yeah, most def. Like VY, the other one I was watching yesterday that had the news with Pfizer. Look, it's still trading within this range. Just doesn't want to break out, doesn't want to do anything, just playing around in there in that range. So whatever it wants to do. Came down, touched this little bottom, tried to come up, touched the bottom again. So has failed that top one, two. I guess you can count this as 3, 4, 5. Failed many times. Yep. Yeah, Jay Crash. That's why I want to see the tension fall off of it so something else can start moving. Because I've seen this one before. It's a pre-market beast. You know, it'll come up in pre-market and then drop for the rest of the week. Plus the news is never really great on it. Let's see if we can make some money before 10:30. If not, I'll just make some money doing something else. So you remember Tuesday when I said I you put 10K in Sheeb. I found out who it was. It was Meet Kevin. LOL, he posted a video about it last night. At least I'm not yellowing 100K. Yeah, Sheeb, man. Sheeb, is it still going up? Let me check. Or did it start coming back down yet? No, my goodness, it's still going up. Last time I checked, it was like, wow, way at the bottom. Well, that means Ben is definitely doing good on this trade. He bought the flat. So he's definitely eating on that trade. Wow. And Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is up to what, 54,000? Boy, 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 my Bitcoin's gonna be looking good. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, One Life. Pumpers are no longer trying to hide. They're like, yo, this what we pumping. Come get in. Yeah, congratulations to everybody that bought that stock that looked dead. Or not stock, that crypto that looked dead. It rose like the phoenix. Let's see what we got here on BB. Got about 30 seconds to the open. See if BBIG can absolutely destroy itself. Let's get it. All righty. Here's the open. Check out the boy. Yeah, Lauren, you cooked so many. You had like buckets of cookies. Start your day off right. Yep, that thing's heavy. Let's see what kind of action the SPY is getting as well. We continuing higher. Looking like it's curling up there. Get a nice little push. DIA, what you over here doing? DIA getting a push as well. So we see some gap ups in both of those SPY and the DIA. So I'm guessing that let's see. What's that one? Tesla. Is it going up as well? Nope. Tesla is going the opposite direction. What about Amazon? One of these got to be going up. Amazon is up just a bit. Not a lot of volume. What's that other big one? Amazon, Tesla, Google? Nah, that's not one. Might be one. Yep, all of those are going up except for Tesla. Oh, Facebook, that's the one I was thinking of. It rebound as well. Wow. Even with the court cases going on right now, Facebook is still piling up. Wow, wow, wow. That's crazy, man. Good morning, MSEC, Wesley. Good morning to everybody. We saw the top mover today, BBIG, eat dirt for a little bit. Now we're seeing JAN just popped in and DATS. Let's look at the news on JAN. Arca Recycling, a subsidiary of Jan 1 Inc., awarded recycling contracts in Pennsylvania with total estimated value of $20 million for work in the states to continue through 2026. And that chart looks absolutely disgusting. I didn't even look at the chart before I looked at the news. Whew. All right, let's look at DATS. Took a big old rip up there, but wow. Rip back down from the 840s back down here to the 815s. Does DATS have any news? No news on the day. DATS came down here to this bottom. Wow, it took a quite a fall here. But it came down here to this bottom. 722. Looked like a support down there, but I don't know about that one. Who's gonna be the obvious stock on the day? Jan has a 200 moving average over here. Let's see. Looks like it gives back profit a lot. Looking like it wants to press on down there. All right, that's it's like the shorts are kind of hitting DATS. Yeah, Ruben, I've had a similar experience. That's why I have money in both cryptos and stocks. So, yeah, no. Either one, whichever one pops off. I just hate that I didn't buy sheep. What in the world just happened? Oh. Oh yeah, this one's dumping. I didn't realize I had switched. Okay. That's coming on down there. But I guess that's why you have to diversify your portfolio. You don't know what's going to be hot, what's going to give you the moves that you need. That's dumping down there. This one's slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. It has a 200 moving average right there. I just don't. $6,257. Let me go do some research on this Jan. Load of 1.88 million. Yeah, okay. Can I add a note to this? It's got a shelf from 2020. 2020. And then the float was 1.88, so about 2 million in the float. And it's pushing on down. So we're seeing a lot of depth in the beginning of the market for the small caps as the SPY and the what's that other one, DIA, continue to pump up. I wonder, will the SPY be able to break back over 440? Let me go to SPY. Still pushing up there. Looking like it wants to break that 440. Oh, it already, well, it threw a wick up there. Let's see if it can hold the 440s. 497s, 490. Looks like it wants to hold it. See if it can get that 440 up there. Break that 95 strong. 95s, 97s, 96s. PALT popping up there on the scanner. No real news on it. Popped up from the $7 up to the 8. Ha. PALT. PALT. Got over that 825 there. We'll pull back. About 2.6 million sheep, worth about 90 bucks. Nice. PALT. Taking a little dip. That's pulled all the way back up here. Any? Let's go look at any. Any got a little bounce there off the 200 on the 5 minute. What is the news on this one? Still kind of flat. Did open up below this, so the 712 definitely going to be a nice resistance level for it. Resistance 712. For some reason, this thing looks like it should be. Oh, no. So it's just down 2%. Getting pushed down there. Let's go out here and look around. PALT. Still trying to push up. DATS. Got a little break over this high 835-ish. Big bars here. That's bounced off that 200 and just shot back up there. I guess I just have to wait for an actual pattern to start. This is just some craziness, some open craziness. PALT. Running out of a little bit of volume as well. $805. Got a high up there at 828. Throw a wick up there, getting up there. Looking for this thing to come back down. It's already getting extended. Looks like it wants to push through this top. Already has an out point. I guess you use the 785 as an out there. Looks like it wants to get it. Can it break down to 20s? Nero? Nero popping back up there. All right. So who's gonna be the one on today? Nero's pattern isn't all that. PALT popping out of there. Giving some nice gains there. That's yeah, PALT looks real good on the daily. Could give some opportunities. It's looking like it's opening up anyway. Well, it's like it's powering up. Getting very extended. Wow. This one's definitely got, did it just get halted? Did it, okay, it's PALT is halted. Let's see what time that opens up. Halt time, halt resumption. Let's see, halted at 9:49:21. 9:49:21. $49.21. $54. Nah, man. PALT is just moving because it's a low float. They can have a lawsuit. They can have all kinds of crazy stuff. People still gonna buy it. People still gonna buy it. But it does have that nice shelf registration, so we'll see how that acts when it starts to come back down. It's got plenty of volume now, so we just got to see. Up 33%, and it basically made most of the move intraday. So we'll see how far it can go. Cause it started at nothing at $7, jumped up $2 and almost 50 cents. Let's get going. All right, should be opening up here in just a minute. 54.21. Here it is, opening up there. Wow, nice little range on this one. Up 50%. Let's see you come down. Hmm. So 1050 is where it just kind of tried to get up there. Got a little bit of rejection. I'm pretty sure people are going to be trying to see a new low here. Where is your low? That's nice. Nice little move out there on that. How much was it? Definitely not as big as PALT. Mm-mm-mm. So had a bottom down here, the 786. What are you talking about, Danny B? Just looking, observing. I haven't hit any buttons yet. That's got a nice little pullback on it. Waiting for it to come on down. Ah. Euro still making moves up. That's pull back down. All right. So the gap area was the 925. It may check off that gap area for a return. Let's see, what was that support? Gap. Let me see. Had a nice little check down right there. All right. So we'll see if we can hold that 931. Okay. Getting a little lunch down there. Nine fifties. 931. Right on that VWAP, huh? See those 51s get back in there. Pushing back down to the 40s real quick. 30s. That 31 is the area. $31 seems to hold that was the gap fill there. See if it'll break down to 31s. Holding real tight there. Yeah. Looking okay. May start building a position around that 950 here. Can we see that 950 pop back up? 51s. Ugh. I wonder, let's see, what's the halfway point? 804 up to the 10, so a $2 move. Give it a little bit more time. 15 minutes still has a couple minutes left on it. Euro got up there. All right, going down and testing that 31 again. All right. Couple minutes left on this one. Retesting the 31 again. Can it break that down? Will we see under the 35 here? 35s. Got under the 31 just briefly. Again, bouncing there. I am looking to take a little share size. It's bouncing off this level once again. It's got a couple minutes left. I don't want to jump the gun, but it looks okay. in. Neuro pumped back down there. PALT going back down as well. Okay. All right, so it's definitely got some support there at the 31. Let's see if it breaks down the 40s. Got about 5 minutes left on this candle. Staying above those 40s. Yep, into the 30s. Little slipping. Ooh, into the 20s. 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Again, down here on the 31. Another little droop through there. Neuro files for FDA de novo clearance for coil device to treat symptoms of fibromyalgia. Okay, so they just did a filing. That's it. AEHR, do you have news? AEHR Test Systems announces completion of a 25 million ATM offering. Okay. All right. Got 3 minutes left on this candle. 31's coming back into play. I like that 31. It tried to break that 31 multiple times. I may give it a stab here to 31. You can start seeing those 32s. Immediately rejecting off the 31s. So the 31s is looking okay to me. I'm going to enter small around the 31. See if I can get a ride up on it. I like the 31s. Can we see the 32s start to hold? 35s. Nope. Watching the timing sales and the level 2s. Looking for those 32s to start to hold. Just not seeing it. Let's see how the volume has changed. Changed a little bit. Got 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Getting away from the 31s. So it broke down the gap. Can we get those 31s up there? I like it a little bit. Got 30 seconds left on this candle. Getting in just a little bit there before the break of this candle. Out will be down here to 913. Just gonna let it play. 913 out. Can it get back up there? $950s. Nice little pop. Can it continue? This bottom low is a 937. 30s. So the 930s. Risking 10 cents there. Can it get any more of a pop here? Can we get the 65s? There's the 70s, 80s. Okay, so we'll let this one play around. The low is a 37. I don't want to see this go back red. So I'm going to put it at the 24, 924 breakdown. I want to see it get into the 80s possibly. Can we touch those 80s? 75s. Can we touch those 80s? Not seeing it there. Need to get back into the 70s quickly. $78s. Looking for those 85s. Can we get them? 81s, 85s. Okay. Wow, immediate rejection off those 85s. Getting shorted into. Can we blow back into the 80s? Not seeing it. $950. Just looking for a little bit more help over those 70s. Just not seeing it yet. Seven. Come on. Getting punched there. This bar goes red. Let's see what is the low here. Oh, I'm gonna have to jump ship here. Yep. See if it gets a pop back up. If not, I gotta be out. getting out there. Got up there, just could not continue. Looked okay. That's coming off the bottom. Looks even better. See if it'll pull back a little bit. Very small pullback. Mm-hmm. PALT just going down there. Could not continue, but I do like DATs. Little pullback. Very snappy stock. Very low volume on each candle. Oh my goodness, what is, oh, thought this was the other one. I was like, what in the world? Yeah, PALT ended up fading that level and jumped out of there. That hasn't fallen yet. I could risk 16 cents here on DATs. But just very, very snappy. Yeah, volume is dried up on that one. I don't really want to play ball with that one. Oh, can't believe PALT, man. Got going, but could not continue, so I had to cut that one. $9.22. Yeah, One Life. I thought I did too. It looked good, but I was like, look, if this thing goes the other way, I'm only in small position size right now, so I will cut it. It's not like I'm just, out of a lot of money, but it needed to hold this gap here, this gap fill area, got up there and then just started tanking. But it doesn't fail every time. That's the good thing about it. As long as I cut my loss, I'm pretty good. Let me see. I lost 30 cents. I lost $7 on that trade. Would have been a lot more if I was still holding. Okay, that's been holding here for a little bit. Got about 2 minutes left on this candle. Grown. Up 10%. Wait, this is that movie again. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't know if I want this one. So tired of this one, man. Yesterday, it played so much. PALT. Still pumping down. Glad I did not hold that one. 840. Mm, that would be that, but that's a lot of movement down. This one is explosive candle here. It shouldn't be taking out this. Oh, you said 840. Yeah, that's right on the 9 EMA. But with this movement down, it's taking out what, half of this candle? Halfway point was what, the 905? So it should have kind of reversed around here, $9, but it's just not doing that unless it pulls back up to the 9 very quickly. But yeah, I just lost my appetite for that one real quick. 50 cent, 50 cent. Yeah, it might. Nero popping back up there, but Nero's that news isn't great. Yen, no news, just pumping up. Maybe a sentiment stock. Let me go see what this is. Yen. Yen is a di direction daily FTSE China Bull 3 times shares. Okay. Yeah. Whatever that is. That does not. That did end up going down a little bit. Let's see if we can find another setup on PALT. It's pulling on back. FAMI. Lauren says FAMI. Wait, isn't this that cheap stock? Oh, I was looking at this one the other day. Somebody called this one out. Ay, ay, ay. That thing is a murderous little beast. Not seeing any kind of rebound just yet on DATS. I mean, on a PALT. Neuro losing a bunch of volume from over 100,000 shares traded to now down under 100,000. So no push there. This one is coming on down as well, down to that 100,000, losing a lot of volume. It looks like it might have hit the bottom on FAMI. Let me check. I didn't look at the daily. It hit something. Let's see. It stopped at the 10 or the 20 cents last time. What's the what kind of news is on it? What would be the reason for it moving back up? Growth with the latest order of export Southwest Asia. Um, what do they do? What is FAMI? FAMI is a consumer defensive package or consumer defensive sector, and then they do packaged foods in China. Uh, I don't know how that would move. Nero still losing that volume. So not really seeing anything that's continuing. Wow, PALT, you failed me. You failed me. Still moving up to that down to this 9 EMA on PALT. But definitely gave back a lot of profit from the 1055 down here to the 874. What's up, TJ? GG. Out here looking for opportunities. Why does everyone use the 9 EMA? What does that mean? So it's an exponential moving average. What does it mean? It means nothing unless you use it with something else. So, I mean, any indicator, they mean nothing by themselves. But, we're looking for multiple levels of confirmation, whether it's an indicator mixed with support, resistance, um, whether it's got to be multiple. You just can't go off one thing. Like, okay, I'm going to buy on the 9 every single time it touches it. You're going to fail a lot. But when there's multiple confirmation levels at that point, then it makes more sense and it makes more logical sense of why people would buy there and why you would be getting in with all the real buyers instead of getting smoked with everybody else. Grum pushing up there. Still, man, that volume has absolutely died on Grum. It was up to 3 million, fell back down, got back up to 2 million, fell back down. So people losing interest in this one, possibly. But we will see. It's only $5. Not very volatile. But yeah, you got to have multiple levels. Even with the VWAP, you can't just use the VWAP because just because it bounces off VWAP doesn't mean it's going to go anywhere. You gotta have something else there to be a cause for liftoff. Like earlier when I was taking this trade, I was looking at, hey, it's gap filled and it's holding around a gap fill level and it's right here on VWAP and it's above the 9 EMA. So I was like, all right, I'll give it a try. There were multiple levels. I just didn't say, oh, it's right at the VWAP, I'm gonna buy. You know. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, my bad. 9 EMA does, yeah, it calculates the last 9 averages, but yeah, my point still stands. You need more than just a 9 EMA. And it's an exponential moving average. So whatever is the regular moving trend, it exponentially widens the range on that. So, you know. But thank you, Daniel B. I didn't know you knew what that indicator meant. I didn't know you knew what any indicator meant because you don't use them. Nero. I mean, you can use whatever works for you. 10 EMA, whatever, but it takes, you have to if it works over if it's been tested and it works a good amount of the time, more than I would say 40%, 30%, you may it may be good for you in your strategy, but it just depends on how you tested the EMAs. You can't just start using them with no test results or no kind of what they call it, back testing. No kind of back testing. Depends on how long you're holding. J Crash used a 3 EMA. Woo! You must not be holding, boy. You you must be tapping the button and getting out quick. 3 EMA. ENG pumping up there. That little range from the two. Oh, that's only 10 cents. That looked like a huge rip. Okay, PALT. Um, coming on down there to that 840 level. Could give another run up, possibly, but that volume though. Look at that volume. Falling all the way down, so I don't know about that. Yeah, you ain't got to worry about J Cracks. He needs no plan B. He got plan A only. Miro working his way back up there. So yeah. All right. So PALT came down here. Can't move down anymore. It's kind of coiling here off the bottom. This bottom is the 871. Kind of right around that $9 level right there. How many minutes is left on this couple? Do I see the volume increasing? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Grum looking like it's wanting to test the highs again, but I'm not interested in that one. Why think? Just let the algos trade for you. Okay, so it's getting a little bunched up here. Do like it. What is this? The 860. See if it can come down anymore. $860 level. What's so important about the 860 level? Why is it bottoming out right there? Let me put this line out here. Why is it bottoming out right there? Okay. There's got to be some more data somewhere. 860. Support of 860. Don't. Okay, so it did rest on top of this little guy right here. But can it make any more moves up is a big, big question. You didn't say that was a buying area. You said, let me go back up here. You said Where is it? Maybe you did. Oh yeah, you did say 840 to 890. Nice call. Nice call. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. You know. I do see the volume increasing though, so I do like it. May try small size here, see if it can push back up. If not, I'll just get back out at the 870. Let's see if it can pull down some. Give me a little bit better, but it's holding the 9 right now, so it may not pull down any. Do see that volume coming up. Yeah, it's looking like I need to play this one. And I just risked the 870. That changed things right there. Let's see. That changed some things for me. Let's see if it'll pull back a bit. 914, 912s, 915. PAL going to 15, possibly. Let's see where it holds up. It's got this bottom at the 870. If it holds up there, woo. Okay, got back down to that 870 quite quick. Gonna give it a little bit of time. It bounced off of that level. See if it can hold it up. Grum powered out of there a little bit. CPALT, what you want to do? Yeah, that's why I was looking at One Life. That's why I was looking, I was like, not trying to get maxed out. So that 840 is the 9 EMA now. So we'll see if it makes a move down through this level of the 870. But yeah, on this selling volume did come in, but it did not overtake the last buying volume. So we will see. Wow, Grom shooting up there. 8 or 540 up to the 580s. Man, I'm not gonna trade that one. I feel like that one's bad luck. I talked so bad about that movie that's coming out. Nah, man. I feel like if I press the buy button, it's just gonna shoot down to $2. Oh, you're an old-fashioned trader. Okay. I love for this thing to go red at least on the 15-minute. So then we can look for the new entry, but does not look like it's going to be doing that anytime soon. Getting pushed down there. Testing at 875. Almost broke that 70. You just an old man. Okay. Still don't like the pattern on Neuro. PALT not looking nice. Grom jumping up there another 10 cents. This is insane. This thing is up on movie news. How good is this movie? Oh my gosh, if this thing runs to $20. Oh my goodness. Okay, okay, okay. Trying to hold up this 870. Can it do it? Let's see. What's the risk right here? Low of the 882 be the risk level. Plus the volume again has slid off the bridge. This thing's breaking $6. Breaking 6. Yeah, Nicholas, yeah. That thing is absolutely ripping. It's a crazy mover. PALT is just not looking good. So this ripped from the 5 up to the 6. This one may be the opportunity GOAT today. Wow. Grown man. Jumping up there heavy. Getting a little bit of a pullback. Can't do anything with that right now. Will PALT finally break down here to the bottom? Lori says she doesn't think that Grum will run any more than 6 or 7. Yeah, it's very extended. It's been up here. It's been up here a couple of times. But man, definitely it broke this flat top here of the 584. I wonder can it hold that up for support? 584. I doubt it. It's right on it. Like it's coming down to crack this bad boy. Let's see if it'll crack it. 870 is a hard hold point. Let's see. I don't see any size. Where's 870? 80s, 70. I don't see any kind of big sizes over here because the volume's gone. Everybody's looking at Grom right now. And it's done this multiple times. So it did a rip like this last time, and every single time it gives back so much profit. It might come all the way back down here to $4. All right, PALT. It's got a couple minutes left on it. Okay. Getting a little punch up there. What's the bottom of this low? Is the 876. Got 10 minutes left on this candle. Held up that 870. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. 10 minutes for close. Grown finally looking like it's hitting some kind of ceiling up there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 10 minutes. That thing can absolutely come down here and touch the $7. We're just giving it a little time. So it looks like the shorts are losing this battle a bit. 886, 876. It's got a top up there, the 921. Hmm. Still don't see that volume coming in. Okay, there is a little pump in volume, but it may go red. That pump, that was a lot of red on the tape. Will it break down the nines? 890s, $9 there. Will it disappear? Nine disappearing. Still got 7 minutes left. Grum, big top and tail there, big dip down, right to that level of that flat top. Looking like it wants to push right on through it, back under the 580s. I do like this one. That'll be a 20-cent risk right now off the bottom. 20-cent risk. Is that worth it? 20 cents. I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. Got about 7 minutes left on this candle. Well, getting away from being 20 cents, isn't it? 870. It's gonna get going before the 10 minutes up. Oh man. Oh well. Just have to go without me. Still got a good 5 minutes to go. A lot can happen in 5 minutes. $5, $5, $5 foot long. Let's see. Chrome out of there. Nero, did you ever pull back? Nero's just kind of sitting there. All right. So hmm. I think I may start just building a small position on this one just in case it wants to go, and I'll sell over VWAP. Waiting. It's got 4 minutes. Out of red on the tape. Looking for it to hold up. Wow. It's got 4 minutes left and it's not looking too healthy. Getting bought back up there. 870 points. Not looking healthy at all. So another test down. 875 is the point. Three minutes left on this candle. Hopefully it can close red above this previous low. That would be beautiful. Nah, man, Ben's taking care of business, man. You know, trying to get everything squared away. He'll tell y'all everything once he is able to be on internet connection. Two minutes left. At 870, man. 870 is the problem. 885. Yeah, Ben has data, but I don't know if he's gonna be using it anytime soon. Okay. So it's held up this point, one, two, and it's got just a little bit higher low here. Just a little bit. Will it break down at 70? Got a minute left on this candle. Ooh, breaking down, touching that 75. Ooh, Not looking too good. All right, bouncing there a little bit. Not looking too good at all. Um, Nick said he would cover at 8:45. Cover. Let's see if we can start getting some volume back into this next candle for a push up. Let's see it start getting up here. Start holding this 891 level. Mm-hmm. All right, so this will be a 20-cent risk here, pretty much. See the 891s. But it's kind of flat. It's kind of flat right now, so I don't know. Could it get up there off of these levels? Volume kind of getting in there. Waiting for some more volume here on this candle. Only 60,000 shares traded. Okay. Need to get some more push. Where's that volume push? Not big enough. But at least it held up the 870s. Okay, there's a little push. Can we get over that 100K? Then start working our way towards the 200K? $100K in there. A lot of people buying it up in here. Looking for that 200K. Okay. I like it. Yeah, I like this one. Like it, I like it, I like it. Still not reaching that volume though. Starting to get around that 200K. Is it going up or down? All right, so the risk here, we down here at the 880s. We've reached 200K. Starting to push up. 880 risk, 870 risk, somewhere up in there. Seeing some red on the tape. Okay, I like that little push there. Getting pushed under the 901 there. All right, got to see where the volume goes here. Only 10,000 shares traded. Volume cut out, so I like it again. Volume kind of low on that push. Very flat little stock here. Looking for that volume to come back in heavy at some point here. It's tried 1, 2, 3 times. Looking like the volume. Can we reach 100,000 in volume? Okay, there's a break back down of the 895. Will this be a higher low or will it go ahead and fail out? Just not seeing that volume come in on it. 100,000 shares traded. Let's see what it does in this next couple of minutes. Getting on up there to that 200. Not getting that push out yet. $8.92. Can it pull back up? Needs to stay above the body of this candle, $8.91, which it is below right now. And it has 50,000 shares left to make a decision. Looking like it's gonna be towards the shorts though. All right, Neuro ended up dumping. Yen still going up. Wait, what's the news on this one? California lawmakers vow to investigate offshore oil spill. That was yesterday. Somebody out there spilling oil again. Can't never have nothing. All right, that's coming up there again. Grom, I think I'm gonna leave Grom alone. PALT. Holding up again, that 870. literally closing this candle in like a minute, holding above the body of the previous candle on the 15-minute. '90s needs to close above it. A lot of red on the tape. Needs to get back above the 90s. 94 there. Need to see it on the bid. Yeah, I don't know about this one. Gotta see some volume come in that thing. It's a little too flat right now, though. Grown, came down. That's still choppy. Hmm. Can we get some volume behind this move up? 92s. Need to see at least 100,000. Getting up there. Need to see some more volume though. And we see those 91s come back up there. Do a 10-cent risk here for a move up, if possible. Okay, there's a little volume pouring in there. Yeah, okay. So 870 is looking like the point I'm gonna need to be out. Letting it pull back. Still don't see the volume there on that little push. All right, that looks okay. Waiting for that 200K to get hit. Looking for the 200K. Can it pull back anymore? Only 50,000 shares waiting for the 200 to get hit for a possible move higher. $160, $170. Not seeing that 200. $20,000 more shares traded is what we need. Okay, coming back down there to the 9. Still hasn't reached the 200. Come on. 901s. So people are getting in, getting in, getting in. See an update. Still not seeing the 200 there. There he goes, 200. See if we can get the 903s here. 903s. Yep, here comes a push. Got in there. I'll use this as a bottom. The 870. If it can get that play. Let's see what it can do. 870 is out. Can you go any higher, big boy? Giving it some time to play. Looking for that 100K in volume traded. Really, a little bit of rejection there. It's the bottom of this low of the 880. Trying to see if it can break back out of here. Well, it was close. Needs to hold those nines. 903s. Will it stop me out? Looking like it's coming down to. Very flat. I thought it was gonna go ahead and curl out this bottom, but not looking likely. Tried to give it time to play. Come on, man. You got this. 20 cents away. Not getting bought up. Need to see that 95 back up there. Can we see those 95s if possible? '95s. Nope. Breaking down, breaking down. I just looked over at the chat and the first thing I saw was what Daniel B just said. Daniel B, man, come on, man. I just run, man. I run. That's it. Let's see. The high, the low is 885. So 885 have to definitely be getting out of here. They can't break through that VWAP, those 930s, which is looking like it's having a little trouble doing. Need to see those 930s. 600,000 shares traded on this one. Can it break the 930s? Still struggling, not even seeing the 31s. Nothing over the 30s on the bid yet. Nice. Looking for a new exit point. The low 885s. 25 there. Put 25 down at the 885s. Then keep the other 25 to exit a bit up here, if possible. Can it hold those 30s? Volume came in there. Volume was 1,000,000 something. Holding right now. See if it can get over those 40s just for fun. Shorts coming in there a little heavy. Need to see those 40s. Not seeing it. Failing. VWAP. Can we get any touch up here? The high here is the 950. It's got to break the 950. Not seeing that volume come in though. Need to see those 35s. Going back red there. I got 25 sitting down at the bottom of this candle. If it doesn't want to get going, it'll be all right. Looking for another stop though. All right. So I might have to jump out the whole thing down here if it keeps playing around. Looking for back over the 30s. $8.85 is my all out. Looking for it to get back over the 25s, 925. Looking to work my stops up. Okay. What does this one want to do? 885. Can we get those 830s broken? 825 broken. It's a little bit of volume there, but not much. The low of this candle is the 915. I'll move my stop up there just in case it wants to crash out on me here. 915. That'll be a 2-cent winner if it stays above here. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut it if it wants to play the game. So I put that down there at the 915. My entry was at the 913. Just seeing if it can work through those 40s, 50 level. So either way it goes, it'll be a little bit of green trade, but I just get stopped out here if this one wants to go red. Needs to stay above those buyers in there. Stay above the 915. '30s. Of course I don't have pants on, J Kratz. Why would I wear pants while I'm trading? That's not comfortable. Looking for those 31s to start getting popped. Hit it on DATS. Hey, nice trade, man. All right. So can it stay above the 915 level? Can it break this high here? High of the 39. Not looking likely. Looking like I'm gonna have to move up to the 925 if it can't get out of here soon. $9.20. I move up to the 920s. Should not be breaking down there. 920 is my level to be out. Moving very slowly. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get stopped out here. Got that 920 ready to go. 25s. Not being able to hold that up. 23s, and can it get back above the 25s? No, it can't. Don't see any buyers there. There's 28s on the tape. Gotta stay above that 20. $22s on the bid. There it is. All right, got stopped out there. Very, very tight trade, but I was not willing to play ball there. I do need to get out of here and actually make some money for the rest of the day. I mean, once I got green, I put that stop in. It's whatever. Um, but yeah, had to get out of there. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down so I can get going. I got a busy day today. Oh my goodness, I hate days like this. Usually these days don't come until the weekend, but okay. I will play ball. So I'll be back tomorrow morning trading and we'll see what we can find there. But as of today, I am walking away. Ain't none of that what happened yesterday. Got drunk on VLCN and But anyway, um, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed, you can consider subscribing if you want to. If you're on Twitch, you can always follow. And yeah, I'll be back in the morning. You guys have a great day. Remember, it's very, very risky. Manage your risk well. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Oh, peace, peace, peace.